shout Igor when you want to go.
Bye. Harvey out.
Alright, I'm only one man. One man can't work on his own.
Yeah, so if everyone goes up to the fence, holds on to the rope, and then just walk towards me. Everyone walking down towards me. That's it. There we go.
Can we go higher?
Yeah, keep going. There's the other there. Keep going. That's so much better, guys. Well done. Okay, back to the fence again. It'll be another little pool and then that'll be up. Okay, go for it. And stop there. Okay, that's you guys at the top. So you guys let go of this rope and step back. Hold tight on the blue rope for me now, okay? So step
Can you sit down now?
stop.
Well, do.
And if everyone wants to watch, you can go down there now.
You alright there, Jack?
Yeah.
You look sick.
Who's pulling the rope? Who's pulling? Let it go to it.
Let the white one go. Way!
Literally, mate.
Easy.